Hydro flasks and insulated water bottles are amazing for keeping your drinks at the perfect temperature while you're on the go. But what are the rules when it comes to bringing one on a plane? Here's the quick answer. Hydro flasks are allowed on planes in both carry-on and checked baggage for domestic and international flights. But there's a catch. If it's in your carry-on, it must be empty when you go through airport security. TSA rules for hydro flasks. While the TSA doesn't specifically mention hydro flasks on their website, they have no issue with you bringing an empty hydro flask through the security checkpoint. Liquid restrictions at security. However, if your hydro flask is filled with a drink, security won't allow it through. The TSA liquid rule allows only containers of 3.4 ounces or less in your carry-on, so make sure your hydro flask is empty when you arrive at the checkpoint. Tip for refilling your hydro flask. Pro tip. Once you've passed security, you're free to fill up your hydro flask at any water station, so you can stay hydrated for your entire flight. TSA social media answer. I even checked on X to see if anyone had asked the TSA about hydro flasks. The TSA confirmed that empty water bottles, including hydro flasks, are totally fine in both carry-on and checked baggage. Hydro flasks in checked baggage. When it comes to checked baggage, you're good to go. Hydro flasks can be packed in your checked bag without restrictions. But just to be safe, it's always a good idea to empty it before packing. To sum it up, you can bring your hydro flask through the airport security checkpoint as long as it's empty. After security, fill it up and enjoy. In checked baggage, there's no need to worry about liquids, though I wouldn't recommend packing too much liquid in your checked bags. Found this helpful? Hit that like button and subscribe to Travel Closely for more travel tips and gear reviews.